Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we are fixing slow internet speed on the PS3 instantly. Place the PS3 on a table where you can access the back and sides easily. Make sure the PS3 is powered on and connected to your TV display. First, look at the Wi-Fi signal indicator on the PS3 home screen. If the signal is low, that means the PS3 is struggling to maintain a strong connection. Start by gently unplugging the power cable from the PS3. Then unplug the Wi-Fi router power cable as well. Wait for both the PS3 and router to fully power off. Leave both unplugged for about 20 seconds to reset the network memory. Now plug the router back in and wait for all lights to stabilize. Once the router is fully ready, plug the PS3 power cable back in. Turn on the PS3 and wait for it to load to the main menu. Go to the PS3 settings menu. Scroll down and select Network Settings on the PS3. Select Internet Connection Settings on the PS3. Choose Custom on the PS3 Wi-Fi Setup. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list on the PS3. When it asks for IP address settings, select Manual on the PS3. Enter Google DNS on the PS3 to speed up connection. For primary DNS on the PS3, enter 8.8.8.8. For secondary DNS on the PS3, enter 8.8.4.4. Leave the remaining fields at default settings on the PS3. Confirm and save all settings on the PS3. Test the connection on the PS3 to verify the network is working. If the speed is still slow, slightly reposition the PS3 for better Wi-Fi reception. Lift the PS3 halfway off the table to check for blocked vents. Ensure nothing is covering the ventilation panels of the PS3. Overheating can reduce Wi-Fi performance on the PS3. Clean the air vents on the PS3 using a small brush. Dust buildup can weaken signal and slow the PS3 down. If possible, move the Wi-Fi router a bit closer to the PS3. Avoid placing the router behind walls or furniture when using the PS3. Now grab an Ethernet cable if available. Connect one end to the PS3 Ethernet port. Connect the other end to the router. Wired connection will always be faster for the PS3. Test internet speed again on the PS3. If the PS3 shows better performance, keep it wired for best speed. If Wi-Fi is your only option, continue to optimize placement. Rotate the PS3 slightly to change Wi-Fi antenna direction. Small positioning changes can boost signal strength on the PS3. Now return to the PS3 network settings menu once more. Select Media Server Connection on the PS3. Turn it off to reduce network traffic on the PS3. Next, go to the PS3 web browser and clear temporary data. Remove cookies and cache stored on the PS3 browser. This frees up network performance on the PS3. Restart the PS3 one more time. Let the PS3 fully reboot before testing again. Return to the PS3 download or game update screen. Observe the download speed on the PS3. You should now see noticeably faster performance on the PS3. If you play online, test multiplayer on the PS3 to confirm improvement. The PS3 will now maintain a more stable connection. If speed is still weak, try a different Wi-Fi channel on the router. Some routers default to crowded channels affecting the PS3. After adjusting, test again on the PS3. Your PS3 should now run faster and smoother online. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Like, subscribe, and tell us what PS3 fix you want next.